After an epic journey spanning over 7 years and covering a staggering distance of nearly 4 billion miles through the cosmos, a momentous event is set to unfold in the Utah desert. A capsule containing invaluable samples harvested from an asteroid, equivalent in size to the iconic Empire State Building, is poised to make its triumphant return to Earth this upcoming Sunday. This remarkable feat is the culmination of NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission, an acronym denoting Origins, Spectral Interpretation, Resource Identification, and Security Regolith Explorer. Launched in 2016, this ambitious endeavor marked NASA's inaugural mission to collect material from an asteroid residing in the vast expanse of space. The capsule, which holds a treasure trove of nearly 9 ounces of rocks, dust, and dirt painstakingly collected from the asteroid Bennu, will disengage from the OSIRIS-REx spacecraft before its planned descent into the Utah Test and Training Range under the jurisdiction of the Defense Department. There, an eager team comprising experts from NASA and the craft's creator, Lockheed Martin, will eagerly await the capsule's arrival. As OSIRIS-REx Deputy Project Manager Michael Moreau vividly describes it, the mission's precision is akin to putting a dartboard at one end of a basketball court and throwing the dart from the other end and getting a bull's eye. This level of precision reflects the intricate calculations and engineering marvels that have made this audacious mission possible. The overarching goal of this years-long mission extends far beyond mere sample retrieval. Scientists are poised to embark on a journey of discovery, delving into the mysteries of planetary formation and the origins of life itself. This unique cache of samples, drawn from a bygone era approximately 4.5 billion years in the past, offers generations of scientists a rare glimpse into the birth of our solar system. Yet, the significance of this mission doesn't end there. It serves a dual purpose in bolstering our planetary defenses. Bennu, the colossal asteroid in question, shares dimensions with the Empire State Building and poses a 1 in 2,700 chance of colliding with Earth in the latter part of the 2100s. The wealth of data collected through OSIRIS-REx will inform strategies to safeguard our planet from potential celestial threats. The journey of OSIRIS-REx has been nothing short of remarkable. It arrived at Bennu's vicinity in 2018 and spent 2 years meticulously surveying the asteroid, collecting vital data. In 2020, a historic moment was etched into space exploration history as the spacecraft executed a daring landing on Bennu's rugged surface. This touch-and-go operation, though brief, resulted in the successful collection of a sample that, despite an unfortunate mishap involving a jammed door and the loss of some space dust, surpasses the mission's requirement by exceeding 2 ounces. Once the capsule safely touches down in the desert, a specialized NASA team will transport the precious material to a sterile environment. From there, the Bennu samples will embark on a journey to NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston, where they will be subjected to rigorous examination and analysis. Of note, a substantial portion of this asteroid material, amounting to 70%, will be thoughtfully preserved for future research endeavors. NASA, along with a global consortium of over 200 scientists, will embark on a comprehensive study of the remaining portions. Furthermore, in the spirit of international collaboration and the pursuit of scientific knowledge, part of this historic sample will be shared with the Japanese Space Exploration Agency in exchange for samples collected by their Hayabusa spacecraft. Even as this momentous mission reaches its conclusion, OSIRIS-REx is poised to embark on a new chapter in its astronomical odyssey. Its next destination is the asteroid Apophis, a name steeped in ancient Egyptian mythology, representing a demon serpent symbolizing chaos and malevolence. The return of this capsule, carrying fragments from a distant world, serves as a testament to humanity's unquenchable thirst for knowledge and our collective determination to explore the cosmos. John Michael Roche, an associate producer, writer with Fox News Digital Originals, has brought this extraordinary voyage to life through his reporting. The OSIRIS-REx mission stands as a testament to the remarkable feats that human ingenuity and collaboration can achieve when we reach for the stars.